Welcome to a new video. Today I'm in the beautiful Porto Cervo hills in Sardinia. This property here overlooks the bay, and you can see the port with the hotels, the yachts, the ships, the boats. Very beautiful property here in the hills, in nature. Very beautiful scene. Very beautiful scene. If you appreciate the woods, if you appreciate the scenery, if you appreciate the land, you would really love this property here. It's nestled in this area, surrounded by trees, very cool. The birds, the wind. You could imagine the stars at night. Let's come around here. Here is the outside dining table. There's also a garden here. There's also a garden. Very beautiful olives. So you have some olives here. Right there. A few olives. And there's the ocean. If you're familiar with the Italian palette, then you can recognize these plants. You'll most definitely be able to recognize these plants here. What's this one? Leave a comment in the comment section. You most definitely will be able to recognize these plants here. Here we have some peppers, beautiful peppers. So if you're ever in the need, if you're cooking and you need some spice, we have the green ones here. We have the red ones, the ripe ones here, which are like chili peppers. Is this basil? Let me know in the comment section if this is basil. But yes. Very beautiful property here. There we go again with the ocean view. There we go again with the ocean view. You see the sunlight peeking out, man. See the sunlight peeking out. I hope everyone is enjoying the videos. Just trying to give you a brief insight as to the life of HB. Like and subscribe, share the videos if you enjoy the videos. Just giving you a quick look here. Plenty trees, plenty trees. Very nice runway. It's very steep, so it's a hill. You have to drive all the way on the hill. And as you know before, the infrastructure in Italia here, they work with the land. All these rocks have been repurposed for housing purposes. And you can see up there, top of the hill, a lot of rocks. Very beautiful, very nice. Don't forget to share the video with a friend if you're enjoying the videos. Don't be shy, don't be scared. Ask a question if you want to ask a question. I answer all comments in the comment section. So yeah, Beautiful property, beautiful property. Very nice, man. Very nice. Just a short tour, nothing long. Don't want to keep the videos too long. But if you want to know if you want to know what I do on a daily basis, you tap into the channel here and enjoy the videos. Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's have a walk out here. Might as well have a walk out here. Show you what the outside looks like. Here we go. Coming down the steps. You have to appreciate the craftsmanship, man. All these rocks have been repurposed. As you see, there's plenty of rocks here. Plenty of rocks here. Very nice property. Acorn trees. House on the hill. House on the hill. Wow. Overlooking the bay. Overlooking the bay. Does it get better than this? Let me know. Does it get better than this, man? Just a quick walk around the corner here, just to show you a quick look of what to expect in this area. Here we go. Plenty boulders. See this one? This is huge. This is huge. There you have it. There you have it. So if you're ever in this area close to the Aqua Dream water park in Porto Cervo, that's where you can find this property. We have some, are these olives? Someone in the comment section tell me if these are olives. I don't know. But yeah. Very affluent area, man. Very affluent. Nice area. I like how the garage has running plants to provide additional shade, and it looks very good. You see, very nice lawn, and they have runners going above. I need to work out. I'm breathing too heavily just by walking. I'm in terrible shape. But yeah, this is it. Nice place. As you can see. Don't forget to show some love in the comment section. Leave a like on the video. Share the video. If you're in Sardinia, let me know. I'll be in Sardinia. I'll be in Naples. And I'll see you next time.